In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can go and take a screenshot. Now, the first method is by heading over to the app or the window that you want to take a screenshot of. So let's say I wanted to take a screenshot of my settings page here. You can then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side, and that should bring up the control center like this. You should then be able to see a bunch of different icons. Go and expand the list by dragging downwards, and you should have an option here called Take Screenshot. If you don't see this, you can click on the pencil icon in the top right hand side. You can click on the Edit button, and underneath available buttons, you should be able to find the screenshot option from here. You can simply go and click on it, and it's going to add it to this list of controls. You could then click Done in the top right hand side, and click on Done once again. Now to go and take a screenshot, let's go and expand this list of controls. You could then click on the Take Screenshot button, and that screenshot will automatically be saved to your camera gallery. Now, a quicker and an easier way to do this is just with the shortcut keys on the side of your phone. So what you can do is you can press the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and once you tap these two buttons, that's automatically going to take a screenshot. So I'll do this with you now. So I'm going to tap these two buttons, and as you can see, this will also take a screenshot on our Android.